Place hot and dry, always sunny. Folks of the tribe, kind and friendly. Sweet topless girl, almost pretty. A village truly out of the ordinary. Woman in the street, passages and alleys, with as much as their heads can carry. Bags, bottle of honey, wood and baby. Among goats and sheep, horses and donkeys. People talking, laughing, going gladly, eating moringa green, drinking brandy, singing, dancing, celebrating happily, shopping, trading, with little money. A lovely day in the Omorate, a great day in Omorate. People diving, swimming or fishing, filling cans of water, washing, bathing, crossing the river, canoeing, rowing, with kids running, begging. Street with dogs, barking and fighting. People working, grinding and cutting. Tobacco and sugar, sugar cane for chewing, peddling chicken, cheese and beef. Curious people looking, questioning. You what country coming? You what doing? When people stopping and gathering, and vultures of both gliding and circling. A lovely day in the